I'm Rebecca Willard Heatley, and it's been a great joy to be part of the team that produced the 20th anniversary edition of Renovation of the Heart. I'll confess that part of that joy is sentimental because I started working for Dallas Willard, my father, in the year 2000, and this edition of Renovation of the Heart was the first book release we worked on together. Now, 20 years later, as we reviewed the book to look for things that might need to be updated after 2 decades of change, I was happy to see how completely relevant the book still is for our time. Some things feel even more powerful today. I'll give you an example from the chapter about transforming our social dimension. This is where it says we cannot improve the human condition with shallow solutions like educating people about diversity and tolerance. The deep root of the human problem is not ignorance, nor prejudice, nor intolerance, he wrote 20 years ago, because these draw upon deeper soul structures. If those aren't dealt with, education, diversity, and tolerance will only yield another version of secular self-righteousness and legalism. Instead of healing relationships, they will only establish a somewhat more socially stable context within which people shrivel and die. Those words almost sound prophetic now, and drive home the point that the world really needs this book. So, on behalf of everyone on the Willard team, I want to say a big thank you to the publishing teams at NavPress, SPCK, and Tyndale, who worked together to create this beautiful new edition of Renovation of the Heart, and to each person who contributed to the book and to this video series. May God bless these books for many more years to come, and help people create incomparable schools of life where people can walk increasingly in the wholeness, holiness, and power of the kingdom of the heavens.